This is BirdNote. Some birds sing songs so fast and complex that it's really hard for the human brain to make sense of. But if you slow them down, you can appreciate the nuance of their vocal craft. Let's listen to the songs of the Crested Oropendola and the tui bird. We'll hear them sing normally, and then also slowed down to a quarter of their regular speed. I'm Chris Hoff from The World According to Sound. We're teaming up with BirdNote to make an immersive 70-minute sound event all about birds. To find out how to attend, go to birdnote.org.